Informed consumers know the new Honda CR-Z is the only hybrid with a 6-speed transmission. Its 3-mode driving system conforms to the driver's preferences, making it the perfect ride for anyone. There's no better place to find the widest variety of Honda vehicles for you to choose from than at Vatland Honda in Vero Beach, Florida. Visit our innovative new website at www.vatland.com. There you can see our huge inventory of new vehicles, see pictures and bios of our friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, check out our service center for information or to set an appointment, and learn more about Vatland Honda to find out what sets us apart from other dealerships. Vatland Honda is located at 700 US Highway 1 in Vero Beach, Florida.